Hey! Here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! One key rule of survival is that you can survive only 3 days without water. Safe water is an essential resource in any survival situation. In this video, I will explain how you can make a water bottle survival kit to filter water in 8 easy steps. Natural water collected can be contaminated in a wide range of ways, many of which are invisible to the naked eye. The greatest risk from tainted water is the possibility of developing various digestive and intestinal issues, including cramping, stomach pains, diarrhea and nausea. Tainted water can also cause other digestive problems that will dehydrate you, impair the nutrients you can absorb from your food, and jeopardize your survival. In a natural disaster, water shortage, or other emergency situation, your body needs to be strong and functional to perform all the tasks you need to keep you and your family alive. So you always need to purify your water. Some of the most popular and effective methods for purifying water are by using products such as disinfecting tablets, survival water filters, survival filtration straws, UV light, boiling water and steam, and solar disinfection. You'll find helpful links to all of these products in the description below, and I cover these in my best survival water filters video. So how can we purify water in a survival situation using only a natural filtration system? Well, in nature, water is filtered through layers of soil, sand and rock to create clean water aquifers. You can do something similar in an emergency or survival situation by using these natural materials and a plastic water bottle. You will need a plastic water bottle or other container with a screw-on lid, a coffee filter, tightly woven fabric, cotton balls, cheesecloth or something similar, crushed charcoal and or fine sand, pebbles or small gravel, larger gravel or small rocks, and a second container to catch the filtered water in. Make sure to rinse and clean all of these materials before using them. Then follow these steps. Number 1. Cut the bottom off of the plastic water bottle or other container and poke a hole in the lid. Number 2. Place the water bottle upside down with the hole in the lid facing downwards over another container to capture the clean water. Number 3. In the open bottom of the cut water bottle, place a coffee filter, wad of cotton, fabric or other fine filtering item tightly against the inside of the lid. Number 4. Add a layer of crushed charcoal over the fabric. Number 5. Then add a layer of sand. Number 6. Now add a layer of fine pebbles. Number 7. Then add a layer of rocks or gravel. Number 8. Now pour water into the plastic bottle over the rocks so it filters down through the layers into the container below. As with other filters, this doesn't remove organic contaminants, but will remove physical pollutants, making the water suitable for UV solar or other disinfection methods. Check out the links in the description to see the many ways in which you can purify water in a survival situation, making it clean and safe to drink. And let me know in the comments which method or product you would prefer to use and carry in your emergency survival kit or bug out bag. Remember, water is the highest priority for your survival, and in almost every environment you can locate and purify it. So think like a YoYo survivor and be prepared for when you're on your own. And share this video with your family and friends too, so they can be smart and be ready in case of a water shortage, natural disaster or other emergency situation. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you'd like to receive more survival tips, click subscribe and then the notification bell. And check out the other great videos on this channel. Oh, and if you love the gear I'm wearing too, check out the links in the description. Stay safe.